Happy Halloween, Nailiaddicts. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you're a subscriber, we are doing a last compilation of Halloween designs. This time I got not one, not two, but three different Halloween sets on this. I'm so excited. We are going to be doing some dip powder, some stamping, some nail art. We're doing glow in the dark. We got a lot jam-packed into these three designs, and I can't wait for you guys to see them. Even more exciting, Nelly Addicts, is I'm going to be showing you guys some of my dip powders from my Autumn Wing collection, OCD Beauty dip powders. They are brand new, and the colors and the glitters are amazing. These nail designs are so simple and easy to recreate. They don't need much explaining. However, I am going to show y'all this new dip powder. It's called Air and it's a beautiful sparkly light blue. It's a good foundation to go with a lot of your nail designs, or it's fun just to wear it by itself. My next dip powder is called Autumn Moon, and that's to represent all the sparkly moon and star glitters that it has in it. It also has micro glow in the dark fine glitters. It looks like little twinkling stars in the night when you glow it up. Okay, that's the first set, and you can see I drew a little pathway up to the haunted house, and I also made the moon illuminate, and that came out so cute. I thought it fit the theme perfect for this autumn moon glitter. And also the air glows really good with this too. Moving on to the next set. We're going to be using Sparkle & Co.'s Disco Lip Gloss. It also glows in the dark. Now this isn't one of mine. Like I said, it's Sparkle & Co. But I got it for free off their TikTok shop. And I thought this would be a perfect backdrop to the bats. All right, Nelly Addicts, I know you guys have been seeing these bat nails. They're super trendy for Halloween, and they were so simple to draw. You just have to not think about it too hard. And I'm saying that because I must have drawn like 10 different bats on a nail before I finally decided to go with this simple method. I drew all different kinds of ways, and I think I was making it a little harder than what it actually was. You can see here, this wasn't that hard to draw at all. I don't know why it took me so many bats to finally come up with this, but in the end, I really liked the way they came out. And like I said, they were so simple. I just put a little too much thought into it. And this is the completed set number 2. The glow on this Sparkling Coals dip powder is really good. I really like the way these came out also. And like I said, you can see all the different bats, and they were really simple and cute to draw. I'm sure you guys have already done this before. And I also added some little sparkles at the top because I thought they were looking just a little too plain. Now let's move on to the last and final set. And we're doing another one of my dip powders called Costume Party. This is full of sparkly Halloween colored glitter. I really, really love this one. It represents all the good colors of Halloween, like orange, purples, blacks. It has flakes in it. It has the micro sparkly fine glitter that glows in the dark also. And I decided to do an accent nail with stamping. All right, Nailiaddicts, that is the last set for Halloween. I think we're going to conclude this series, seeing as Halloween is on Tuesday. We have done quite a few Halloween nail sets. I've had so much fun doing recreations and coming up with my own designs. I hope you guys enjoyed this little series, and now we're moving into Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoy your Halloween and collect lots of candy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Happy Halloween.